sa aking kapatid na nagdiriwang ng kanyang karawan ngayon, Teacher Geraldine. Binabati kita ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come, and may God bless you always. So this birthday song is for you. Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy of what yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, the most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your parents singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Have a birthday, ne? Once again, more birthdays to come, and may God bless you always.